A handful of vaccines for COVID-19 are expected to be ready for use by non-healthcare, high-risk and essential workers by late spring and early summer. And many of you have lots of questions about them. News 8 Now's Isabella Hulsizer joins us now with some answers straight from a local expert. Isabella.
I asked and a lot of you answered. What questions about the vaccine are on your mind? The most frequently asked, if you've already been sick with COVID-19, should you get the vaccine? Dr. Raj Naik from Gundersen Health System specializes in vaccines, and he says the answer is yes.
The reason that it's going to be important to get the vaccine is that we don't know how long immunity lasts or protection lasts from having natural infection. We know that antibodies are hanging around usually about 3 months.
He says although the antibodies from the natural infection are still around, it doesn't provide the lasting immunity the vaccine does. To be fully effective, both Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine require 2 doses, which leads me to the next question you asked. How important is it to get both doses of the vaccine?
And sometimes one dose does what we call prime the immune system, and then the second or third or however many doses are in the series helps the immune system mount a significant response to future exposures.
It was also asked by many of you, how long will it take for the vaccine immunity to kick in? Dr. Naik says almost as long as you would quarantine.
It takes about a week or probably 2 weeks after the receipt of the second dose to have your full immune response.
Wisconsin Department of Health officials say that when a vaccine is available, it will be offered at hubs around the state. And those hubs, the local health system, CVS, and Walgreens will all have the vaccinations on hand. Naik said the hubs aren't necessarily regional, but we can expect to see the vaccine in la-crosse in the coming months if everything regarding the approval of the vaccines goes smoothly. Mike and Martha.
All right, thanks so much, Isabella. Some important information. And she also asked Dr. Naik many of the questions you sent her, and you can find the full list of answers on our website, news8000.com.